Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And welcome to our 12 days of Christmas treats.
We're going to be sharing a different treat every day for 12 days. And with each of those treats, you'll be able to find them typed or linked down in the description.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so this is our chocolate peanut butter balls recipe. We're going to start with 6 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups of peanut butter, 1 whole cup of butter that I have softened, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to mix it. So we mixed it all together and it made this kind of thing. It stays a little loose. We're now going to make 1 to 2 inch round balls, and then we're going to put those in the refrigerator. So let's get to that part. Okay, so we've got our chocolate all melted. We got our peanut butter balls out of the refrigerator. Now what we're going to do is take them out and roll them in the chocolate. Make sure you get get all the chocolate drippings off of it, and then put it back on the pan. So we're just going to do that for all of these, and then we'll show you the rest when we're done. Okay, so we've got our peanut butter balls dipped in chocolate. And they just need to cool now so that the chocolate will harden. We will probably set those in the refrigerator so that they go ahead and get done. And I'll show you that when we're finished with them. And I probably was supposed to make these bigger, you know, because I didn't have enough chocolate to actually roll the rest of the peanut butter balls, because I got 12 more than I was supposed to. But you know, I mean, I got chocolate on them, so I'll probably just keep them. But if you didn't get chocolate on them, then you could give these as a gift, because they still taste great. How could they not?
You were playing fast and loose with the word great.
It's peanut butter and confectioner sugar. How could that go wrong? Okay, so we're going to put these in the refrigerator and get them cooled down, and then we will show you the finished product. Okay, this is the finished product, and y'all just ignore I'm not perfect at all, so I don't have, some of them aren't so pretty, but just going to go ahead and put them in the container. So let's see, we look like we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in one. So if you put 7 in each one, and we had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7 more. That would be 10 times 3 is 21. So about 3 more, right at 4, but you might want to taste one, so 3 more. So on the screen right now, we will put what the total it costs to make this and how many gifts we'd get out of it and how much each individual gift would cost.
So thanks for joining us for the 12 Days of Christmas Treats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content from us. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what Christmas treats you're doing, or if you tried one of our recipes, let us know how it went in the comments. So for the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.